Hey, hold on just one second. If you're in USDA growing zones 8 through 11, please do not fertilize your outdoor plants, fruit trees, and berry bushes right now. The primary reason for this is that we still have a really good chance of having another hard freeze or a frost before the winter is over. So instead of encouraging our plants to be pushing out new growth, we want to harden off the growth that's already there so it has a better chance over the winter. So instead of fertilizing, here are 3 things that you can do to help build your soil structure in January and February. So number 1 and first and foremost is wood chips. So not only is this going to insulate your roots, but it's also going to decompose and help build soil structure over time. 2 things to keep in mind while you're wood chipping. Number 1 is keep it away from the trunks. And number 2, shoot for about 8 inches deep. Yes, 8 inches deep around those fruit trees. Not only does it help suppress weeds, but honestly, it just looks great and builds such good soil structure. Number 2, what you can do is create a foliar spray using a big bucket of water, some old banana peels, and a nice probiotic. I use BioAg. The link for that is in my bio. So because this is potassium based, it's not going to push new growth, but rather it's going to really help the plant harden off nicely, and it's going to introduce some healthy microbes to your soil. I usually let that mixture sit for about 2 or 3 days, and then I use it either as a soil drench or as a foliar spray. Either or will work. And last but not least, the 3rd way that you can build your soil structure over the winter months is to consider a cover crop. In USDA zones 8 through 11, right now you can still plant turnips. These are daikon radishes. Not only are these edible greens and also the tubers, but it really helps build the biomass of the soil. And of course, as a nitrogen fixing alternative, you could also do something like clover. I like the mix called the Killer Clover Mix from Hancock Seed Company. Clover is a really good choice for a cooler season cover crop because it does fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. It's really low growing and it flowers and is great for pollinators. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, like and subscribe, save the little bookmark thingy in the corner. And most of all, I'll see you in the garden.